Hello everyone, today I'll be taking you with me to Samaesan Island. It's about 2.5 hours from Bangkok, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get there and what activities you could do in this small island. So let's go!
So we are at the Navy base, and this is where you need to purchase your tickets. The tickets cannot be purchased online. The online version is only for Thais. If you're foreigners, you have to come here and queue in the morning to get your ticket to Samaesan. It's around 600 baht per person, and you need to come here early in order to make sure that you have your spot. So we got here around 9 something, and we got our ticket for the 11 a.m. departure. Another important information here is that you need to have at least one Thai friend or one Thai person to come to Samaesan with you. If you are a group of foreigner, a solo traveler, a foreigner, you won't be able to get in to Samaesan Island. Today we are having a Thai breakfast here at the Navy base. So right now they are cooking our pad Thai, fried eggs, and a krapao. In terms of the schedules of the boats, so these boats departing every hour starting from 9 a.m. until 1 p.m. And for the returning boats, it's also run every hour, so starting from 11:30 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. So you also want to make sure that you manage to get in the last boat before you leave Samaesan. Yeah. We are having a Thai breakfast today because we didn't trust the food from the hotel. So today we are going a little bit hardcore because we are having the som tam pala, which is the papaya salad in the morning, and then fried eggs here, and then the grappa over there. Let's try. I'm gonna start my day with the papaya salad. Mm. Mm. The fish sauce is very strong, so it's either you like it or you don't. We came here by car, so we have to park our car quite further up because, as you can see, there's no space around the pier anymore. There is a coffee shop right in front of the pier, so if you happen to be here very early, you can wait here in the AC space. We are heading to the boat. Right now, I can see that it's quite crowded stuff. That's why you need to go early to queue for the tickets. What I can say is that it's mostly local here, and we have a beautiful day. A bit windy, but it's a good wind for this kind of heat. It's a bit windy, and you can see how the boat is moving. It's like a pirate ship.
There is no designated seats, and I need to look for a nice windy spot.
We left the pier and we are heading to Samaesan Island. It's about 25 minutes boat ride, so just gonna sit back and relax at the back here. Uh, it's a good boat. It looks a little bit shaky at first, but once the boat started, it's fine.
There are more seats on the upper deck and it comes with shades. Let's check out the front of the boat. And I guess we have arrived. As soon as you get off the boat, there will be a trolley waiting for you. Don't worry if you miss the first one. They are running in loop like every 5 to 10 minutes.
Oh, we can get this one. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Samaesan Island right here in front of you. This beach is the only beach that you are allowed to be in out of the entire islands actually, because it is controlled by the Navy. But as you can see, it's quite decent. The beach is huge and they limit the numbers of people who can come here daily, and very well maintained, I would say. You can do anything here from snorkeling to kayaking. You can also rent the snorkels if you don't have your own. And there are restaurants. You can buy food, drinks. So if you forget to bring your own food, you don't have to worry. This is an island not too far from the beach, but you cannot snorkel until there. But you can definitely take the kayak or go on a boat tour to snorkel on that island. The water is so murky here. It's hard to see anything. There are corals. I saw a little bit of clams, small ones though. But you have to go outside of this confined area for snorkeling. So we will be going on a little boat trip to the small island at the back for better snorkeling. Hopefully the visibility will be better. We are getting ready for our snorkeling trip to a small island. Well, if it's your first time snorkeling, I think it's very good to come here at Samaesan because they give you a very thorough briefing on how to use the snorkel and what to do in case the water get in, or I don't know, your mask is fog. So we've been waiting for about half an hour now, and we are still waiting because they're gonna take the people to test on the water nearby before we get on the boat to the small island.
Finally, we are heading out and I am super ready to snorkel. I have to say I'm not impressed. The visibility is not good. There are limited varieties of corals, at least as far as I can see here. And look how packed this floating platform is. I think it was fun to come here with friends for a day, but there are so many other beautiful places to explore here in Thailand. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and I will see you next time. Bye bye.